What is public speaking? He should have the courage and capability to address the people. Trust is needed for leadership. If there is no trust, there would be no relationship.
Hello everyone, I am Anjali Jadiwal, Managing Director Team 360. I welcome on our YouTube channels today. We are much fortunate. We invite DD Sir for enlighten about thought energy chakra. Power of expressions and public speaking comes from thought chakra. You enjoy the valuable talk of DD Sir. Thank you very much. Okay, DD Sir is on microphone.
Hello everybody. Good afternoon. I am DD Sharma, CEO and Chairman Team 360. I had been working for 32 years in government job where I have been transferred and I took assumptions from very variable dignified post. I worked there successfully. After 32 years of my successful job there, I took VRS and started a working for youth to motivate, to inspire. So, I have made many videos in English and Hindi both, more than 100 videos on YouTube you can find, in which I would like to say every youth of my country should become assets for the country. So, we have made many videos for this purpose. So, independently he can work, he can talk, he can have his leadership everywhere. He must have some recognition everywhere. He should say that I am something who can contribute for the nation. I can contribute for my family. I contribute for myself. But that is not enough. Today we start for that he must be a leader in the society. He must be a team leader. He must be a organizational head. So there should be needed a public speaking skill in him. Okay? Public speaking skill is essential for leadership. Leadership of whatever type. Leadership in politics, leadership in industries, leadership in business, leadership even in teaching department, leadership in NGOs, leadership everywhere. Leadership is needed. Without leadership, even effective management, efficient management cannot survive. So leadership is must. For the leadership, three things I need most important. First is public speaking. He should have the courage and capability to address the people. Secondly, communication. Communication means he is transmitting his voice, okay, but he at the same time prepared for listening others' views also. That is known as communication is a two-way process, two-pronged process. Listening and telling both are correlated and coordinated in the process of communication. Okay. Third thing is more important, that is a art of selling. You have to sell. Everywhere, everybody is selling throughout the day and throughout the night. Okay? Wherever you go, a teacher, when teaches in class, he is or she is selling his skill of teaching to the students. If a salesman sells any product, he is naturally selling. If a politician influences the public, this is also selling. If an officer does work and demonstrate anything before public, that is also selling. So selling is everywhere, universal. Everybody is selling. Okay. Then next one we need, with the help of the PPT, that public speaking and preparation of interviews and art of selling. Here is what is interview. Interviews are nowadays of 2 or 3 types. First interview is known as interview for the job. Okay, so we prepare people for this purpose so that they can get better marks in interview by on the basis of their performance and their art and science of presenting skill. Okay. Second interviews means interviews from big dignitaries. leaders, etc., officers, etc., we take their interview just like a journalist do this work. Okay? Podcast, etc. Nowadays, there are many digital devices for taking interviews of big people. Then, what is this? Thought energy point is important for this purpose. You know, either you are public speaker, or you are giving interview or taking interview, or you are a selling person. One thing is important, thought energy point, Visuddha Chakra, Kant Chakra, this is for the communication. This exists in the ethereal body of human being, but this is most important. And I also tell you how to evaluate it and how to make open it, how to strengthen it, how to awaken it. I will also tell, but here I say this is important. Okay, then the communication is essential for team and organization. No team can work without communication, because we have to take instructions, we have give to the suggestions. Both process are at the same time needed. So the communication is blood, flesh and blood, in the process of leadership, in the process of team building. Team building cannot be done without communication. So communication is must. Communication is two-way process. Just I tell, first you receive the messages, and second you transmit the messages. Okay. Then what is the organization? Similarly, like a team, big team with associate and resources is known as organization. So for the organization, communication is equally needed as in team. Now I tell you about one thing more, that is the trust is needed for leadership. Okay? When you make a team building, or team is always built by relations. People are working in an organization, they may be more than one. Okay? When there are more than one, then they have bonding each other, they have relationship. From two people, maybe 200, 2000, but what is needed? There is a bonding, that they can talk together smoothly, they can listen others smoothly, happily, effectively. Okay? So trust is must. If there is no trust, there would be no relationship, there would be no communication, there would be no team building, there would be no organization. So trust is must. What sort of trust? Higher level of trust is needed for soft communication, swift communication, active communication, fast communication. Okay? Then what is today idea? Public speaking. Public speaking means you have to transmit your thoughts to the people who are listening you, either directly to the people, or through Zoom meetings, or through webinar, or through workshop, whatever the medium is, but you have to transmit your views to the public. Okay? This is very, very important science for all people nowadays. Yesterday I met a Parsad. He told me that please teach me public speaking so that I can make my career in politics, and I can go to have polling from public for Vidhayak, for MLAs, for MPs. So he is also needing public speaking. Officers are also needing public speaking. Even the CEOs of any company needing public speaking. So public speaking is must. So I have decided to teach public speaking, communication, sales and interviews in near future to the all people. Okay? You can contact, WhatsApp number is given. First you click the button and become the member of our community, WhatsApp community. Secondly, be prepared to attend our workshops so that we can teach you public speaking, we can teach you communication, we can teach you salesmanship, we can teach you taking the art of interview and giving interview and taking interview both. Okay, I have written 12 books for motivation to you, inspiration to you, healing to you, blessing to you, or make you public person. Okay, important person in the society, meaningful person, significant person. So I have written 12 books. Out of them, one is written as Habits of Successful Insurance Agent. It has been written on the demand of insurance agent. But in this, what is public speaking? What is communication skill? What is interview taking and giving skill and sales skills? 4 types of public skills have been explained in this book, described in this book is very, very beneficial for you for taking interest in public relationships or public speaking. Okay, this book, I think this contains 216 pages and price is 1100. So QR code is given on the screen. You put the money, deposit the money, send the screenshot to us, and we will send this book to you through courier. Okay, now one thing is more important. Please be ready for attending our webinar and workshop for making yourself good and commanding voice for public speaking. You can be public speaking either in Hindi or English, in both. We will teach both types of public speaking to you. One-to-one sales talks, dialoguing, and public at a large mass media like public speaking, all will cover in this. And we have decided to have classes and sessions only on Sunday, so that it is comfortable to all. Okay, Sunday is always holiday, so you can use the time for a better skill to learn. Now I think we are here. I am heading Team 360. Okay, Team 360 team. Nowadays this is an organization. So team is important. One person can do best, but cannot do much, cannot do bigger. Team is essential. We have team. The team you can see here is a very enthusiastic team, very cooperative team, and this team is only due to our soft and effective communication, public speaking, and interview takings, and also the salesmanship, science and arts both. Okay, now don't waste your time. Mobile numbers are given on screen. Contact and take the benefits of workshops. Thank you.